She says we don't sell the cokes really. Well, you're not gonna sell it if you can't, especially if people can't see it. Look, you can't see the big 1 liter or whatever. Well, you can see it from here. I thought it was too low. People can't see it, but yeah, they can see it from here. But sometimes you get kids that are smaller. Some kids that come, they're probably are like right here. They can't really see it. Usually, kids just the kids send the parents send the kids. Like that's a nice Honda Beat right there. That's the cousin's husband or something. Well, the kids going to school. Ah, they're throwing rocks at the kid. They're throwing rocks at the dog. These two they usually come and buy over here. Let's see if they're gonna come. Yeah, she got the money. Like she already looking. Saman, where you going? I got it, babe. Look at the Lambo. Man, I wanted to fix the lights. I need to ask how much so I can fix my lights. Yeah, they always come. Come on. You see? Tattoos? 100. Babe, pila tattoos. Tattoos. No? No, she said wala. Dile, dile. I mean, she said dile. Unsa naman? Focus over here na lang. Focus na lang. Don't listen to the China. The China just being chismosa. All right. Crisscross. Okay. Salamat. Unsa man? Ah, you didn't know my Bisaya is good, huh? Huh? Unsa man? Kani? Ah, tag 5, tag 10. Tag 10? 5? Hey, Bisaya only. Don't. Mm-mm. We don't speak English over here. Bisaya, man. Okay, you want 5? Let me see. Wait, let me put my phone right here. I'm learning more. 5? Tag 5? Okay. 4? Upad. Ah. Exacto, clear. Ah, you see? So clear. 5. Lima, right? Lima. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Little kids, they love coming here. But it's good because I can practice my Bisaya. Let me see real quick. Let me close this. Oh, okay, guys. That's those are our sorry adventures. I'm gonna eat your breakfast now. Hmm? The preggy is super preggy now, guys. I don't know how. Sometimes the Gina, she's full of energy, but sometimes it does get to her. She needs to rest, and she lays down. She gets her rest.